Change Courier in TikTok Shop. Today we are going to learn how to change Courier in TikTok Shop. So let's get started. In step number 1, browse external platforms. If you are specifically interested in products from a certain location, you might have better luck browsing external platforms or websites that cater to that region's market. Number 2, contact TikTok Shop support. If you are unable to find a satisfactory solution, consider reaching out to TikTok support for assistance. They might be able to provide further guidance or insight into location-based features within the TikTok Shop. Number 3, contact the seller. Reach out to the seller through the TikTok Shop platform. Look for contact information such as email address, customer support link, or messaging option provided by the seller on their TikTok Shop page. Number 4, explain the situation. Clearly explain to the seller that you would like to change the courier for your order. Provide them with your order details, including the order number, to help them locate your order in their system. Number 5, request the change. Politely request the change in your courier and specify the new courier you would like to use. Provide any necessary information or preferences related to the new customer. So, follow seller instructions. In step number 7, the seller will guide you on the next steps to take in order to change the courier for your order. This may involve canceling the existing order and placing a new one with the desired courier, or they might be able to update the courier for your existing order. Number 8, review TikTok Shop policies. Review the seller's shipping and return policies provided on their TikTok Shop page. This will help you understand any potential fees, restriction, or implication associated with changing the courier for your order. Number 9, contact TikTok support. If necessary, you can encounter difficulties, or if the seller is unresponsive, you can reach out to TikTok Shop support for assistance. They may be able to facilitate communication between you and the seller or provide guidance on resolving the issue. That's so simple. That's how you can change courier in TikTok Shop.